In this video, I'm going to show you how you can see your drafts on TikTok. To get started, go ahead and open TikTok on your device. Make sure that you're signed in into your preferred TikTok account. And here, to be able to create a draft, go ahead and click on that plus icon at the middle of your screen. And that will take you into your camera. And here, you can either take a photo using the camera or create a draft using the photos and videos from your gallery. Go ahead and open that specific video or photo that you want to use as a draft and click on the next button to proceed with the next step. Now, once you proceed on the next step, go ahead and click on the drafts button, which you'll find beside the post button. You'll be able to keep this video on your draft. So go ahead and click on that drafts button to save this as your draft. Now go ahead and head over to your profile by clicking on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and that will take you to your TikTok profile. Now on your TikTok profile, you'll be able to find the drafts at the top left corner of your screen. Click on the drafts and you'll be able to find all of the videos that you've saved as a draft on the draft section. As you can see in here, you can simply click on that specific video that you want to post now, or click on that specific video that you want to delete from your drafts. Take note that your drafts from different devices can only be accessed on that specific device where you have created that draft to. We hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.